how to download and install WhatsApp in laptop or PC. So for us to get this done, I want you to go ahead and click start, and then you're just going to go ahead and type store here in order for you to see Microsoft Store. Just go ahead and open it, and here in the search bar at the top, just go ahead and type WhatsApp. Now you should be seeing two here. We have the regular WhatsApp and WhatsApp for beta. Now I'm just going to choose the regular one, and then I'm going to click the install button just like so. Alright, so seems like we are done installing. I'm just going to open it just like so. And yep, this time you can go ahead and click the get started in order for you to be able to log in. Alright, so here is my phone right here. And then this is for my PC. So I'm just going to follow the simple instruction here. First one, let's go ahead and open our WhatsApp. And then we're going to go ahead and type the menu, this one right here. And then we're going to go ahead and open the settings. Now here in the settings, we have here link devices. And I think we should click this one right here. And then click scan code. And there it goes, the code. So we're just going to scan it, click continue. And then we can go ahead and click link a device. Now I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingerprint in order for us to be able to scan it once again, just like so. And there you go. As you can see now, it is scanning everything and we should be seeing everything in here. And congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.